What's going on, everybody? This is 13 with Superior Mobile by 13, and today I've got a 2017 Jeep Renegade that I just finished up doing a headlight retrofit and installation on, and I am in love with this vehicle. Well, not so much the vehicle, but the headlight build itself. I think it came out super fantastic. It's a really good balance between actual day-to-day performance and good cosmetics, as well as a little bit of flair for when he's feeling frisky and decides to show off. So what I'm going to do is show you first and foremost the day-to-day performance issue of it. Well, I guess obviously you can see that it's a dual halo setup. The inner halo is a switchback halo, so it's a daytime running light white, and the outer halo is an RGB, also switchback. And we have a Morimoto Mini D2S projector lens retrofit in there. So I'm going to turn on daytime running lights for you now. So this is the daytime running light. Inner halo is always going to be on. Let's see if I can get, there you go. So you can see that. Looks really sweet. Happy with that. And I'll turn on the blinker for you too. So you can see that both the inner and the outer blinker, or inner and outer halo blink with the turn signal, which is really cool, as well as that factory turn signal down there at the bottom. Now what I'll do is I'll actually turn on the headlights, and you can see those things. So now the headlights are on. You can't really see much, but what I'm going to do is overlay some video of me taking a little drive last night in the vehicle so that you can see how well these things perform. That is the Morimoto 35 watt ballast paired with their 5500 Kelvin D2S HID bulbs. So yeah, good stuff. Alright, so that's the good old-fashioned day-to-day driving around. He's going to have great headlight output, and he's going to have super sweet halos that's going to give it a good, unique look, as well as just even with everything off, the truck looks significantly better now. And now I'm going to show you some of the flashy stuff that it's got going on. Again, that outer halo is an RGB, and it also has a inner demon eye. And these are controlled independently via the Morimoto Bluetooth app. So we've got like a red color right there, and we got a yellow, we got a green, blue. It does all the cool colors. You know, you can do whatever you want. Also, let's see, that was the, we can turn off. All right, so now we have just the demon eye activated here. We've got blue, go to green and the orange. Do a red, you like red? Yeah, red. And then kind of like that little purpley blue color, I like that one. And it goes obviously all the way to white and can turn off. As for the halo, those are really silly bright. This is white, and if I turn it real low, you can actually, the camera will pick up well on it. And then again, all the colors of the rainbow. Anything you want to do, including the animations as per the normal. We can do that right there. So when he wants to go into party mode, he's got that ability, and it looks really good. And that's pretty much it for this build. I did the install in-house, painted the interior of the housings in-house. Vehicle showed up on a Thursday night and was ready for delivery basically first thing Sunday morning. So this was a lot of fun. It was a good bit of a time crunch, but it got done efficiently and productively. Got all the wiring in there. Wiring is super clean, super top-notch. I love local clients, local work like this. I can guarantee and warranty everything on the install in the vehicle and the products, just everything start to finish. You can guarantee that there's not going to be any problems, and if there are, of course, you know, I will handle them as they come up. So that's pretty much it. This is 13 with Superior Mobile by 13. I shall see you guys later. Have a wonderful day.